Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. My name is Farhan Faisal Sheikh. I am lecturer in Fine Arts, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. My specialization is graphic design. I am going to teach you the subject Communication Design. The course code of this subject Fine 3120 BFA Honors 6th semester Session 2017-21. Lecture number 10. Historical Masters and their work in the field of graphic design. Earlier posters during Art Nouveau. Although earlier posters during Art Nouveau were printed in lithographic presses, where printers and designers alike used aesthetic inspiration to print out their posters. In 1776, Elliot Sanifelder, after experimentation for 6 years, successfully invented lithography on Bravian stone. Lithography became the most liked and artistic printing method of the time, especially for printing posters. Art Nouveau, advocated a unity in all forms of art, was decidedly the most important modern art movement. At the turn of the century, it was in fact a collection of related styles. Art Nouveau was called differently in different countries, such as Art Jugendstil, Orange Jugendstil, etc. It also represented the new lifestyle of the new liberal bourgeois. It leaned toward the organic design motifs, undulating lines, flat planes, elegant flowing harmony, which was apparent in the poster designs in Art Nouveau. Posters had become a prominent medium of advertising. Architecture exploited it further, as did the industrial design and typography. French artist Jules Chéret was the first master poster designer. He used lithography three-stones process, in which it became possible to use a large range of colors using three stones. It motivated the other artists to take up poster designing. Chéret was honored as the first poster artist who had a solo exhibition of his posters. It gave rise to a host of collected his posters. There are some examples of posters designed by Jules Chéret. You can see this poster designed with the process of lithographic. Another example. Another example of Jules Chéret designed poster. Eugency Grasset. Another designer, Eugency Grasset, also became a leading figure in French poster world in 1871. Example of the poster designed by Eugency Grasset. Alphonse Mucha came to Paris in 1887. His poster was designed for Sarah Bernhardt in 1894, who was a famous stage artist, dancer, and actress. His style became the famous mode in France and remained so till the turn of the century. These are the examples of posters designed by Alphonse Mucha. Another poster. Pierre Levemont. Another designer who was often referred to as Belgian Mucha. The poster designed by Pierre Levemont. Another famous designer, Pierre Bonnard. and the example designed by the Pierre Burnett by using the lithographic process. Tudor Lautrec to try poster designing, who was a midget and often scoffed at the society. His posters and printing were mostly series at the front bourgeois. The example of his posters, ये अमेरिकन पोस्टर जो जिसने डिजाइन किया, इसमें ये बहुत ज्यादा अमीरों को बहुत बड़ी फिगर्स में बनाता था, उनको ये दिखाता था कि जैसे वो जालिम है, ये उसका स्टाइल था. Leonardo Capello, another famous Italy. Leonardo Capello has posters were more modern. You can see this poster designed by the Leonardo Capello in more modern style. Another famous designer, Gustav Klimt, group designed the first succession exhibition depicting goddess. In this poster, you can see Athena watching the battle between Theseus with the Minotaur. आर्ट नोवो एक ऐसी फेमस मूवमेंट है जो पूरी दुनिया में फैली, मुख्तलिफ नामों से फैली, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया, जैसे मुख्तलिफ कंट्रीज में यूगेन स्टिल इस तरह के मुख्तलिफ नामों से फैली, और बहुत सारे पोस्टर्स इसमें डिजाइन हुए जिसमें लिथोग्राफिक की टेक्निक को यूज किया गया. ये ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है. उस वक्त उनके लिए चीजें बनाना, लिथोग्राफिक पे ऊपर एंग्रेविंग करना एक बहुत क्रिएटिव वर्क था और बहुत परफेक्शन के साथ ये काम किया गया, और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क हमारे सामने आता है जब हम देखते हैं, हमें उनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. अमेरिकन पोस्टर्स. द यूरोपियन पोस्टर स्टाइल फर्स्ट रीच यूएसए in 1889 by Aubrey Bletchley and William Bradley, thus bridging in an Art Nouveau style in USA. Aubrey Bletchley and William Bradley आर्ट नोवो के स्टाइल को यूएसए में लेकर आए. जैसे मैं पहले भी बयान कर चुका हूं कि ये मूवमेंट पूरी दुनिया में फैली और इसका पूरी दुनिया पर इम्पैक्ट है, और इसको हम फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं ले सकते, स्पेशली ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स. The example of posters designed by Aubrey Bradley. आप इस पोस्टर में देख सकते हैं कि कितनी क्रिएटिविटी है, कितने अच्छे तरीके से पोस्टर को इलस्ट्रेट किया गया है. Another example, designed poster by William Bradley, or it also be used in the book cover of chapbook. The most interesting cover was used at that time, who inspired many graphic designers. Advertising in World War I. During the World War I, posters became a vital source of propaganda weapon on both sides, with themes of fundraising, recruitment, production, and volunteer initiatives. It became the biggest advertising campaign in history. In USA alone, there were over 2,500 designs and 20 million posters printed. In World War I, posters को बहुत अहम तौर पर इस्तेमाल किया गया प्रोपेगेंडे के लिए, वेपन ऑन बोथ साइड्स, और लोगों को बेशुमार पोस्टर्स बनाए गए उनको कि वो आर्मी को ज्वाइन करें. 2500 डिजाइन्स बने, 20 मिलियन पोस्टर्स प्रिंट हुए. इतनी तादाद में भी हम देख सकते हैं कि पहले भी ग्राफिक डिजाइन में बहुत काम हो रहा है, जिसको देखकर हम बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हैं। In World War I, the character design named Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam pointing a finger at you and saying, "We need you." This is the most important message by using at that time. The movement Art Nouveau and the posters designed at that time and the designers and the posters designed in World War I, they are very important for the students of graphic design. इसमें आप देख सकते हैं कि इलस्ट्रेशन कितनी परफेक्ट है, लिथोग्राफिक को कितने अच्छे तरीके से प्रोसीजर को यूज किया गया। अब तो हमारे पास बहुत सारी एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजीज हैं, लेकिन आप उस वक्त भी देख सकते हैं कि इसमें कोई भी ऐसी गलती नजर नहीं आ रही। जैसे कि हमारे सामने पोस्टर है जिसमें एक फर्जी कैरेक्टर लिया गया अंकल सैम, जिसमें कैप्शन है जो अपना मैसेज बिल्कुल क्लियरली कन्वे कर रही है, I want you for US Army. Dear students, you can ask any question regarding this lecture from me without any hesitation. Thanks, take care, Allah Hafiz, and best of luck.